Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your free intro. So what you have to do is you have to open Google. So go to Google or Chrome. Yeah, it's the same thing. And type panzoid.com. So when you come to the site, then you can just choose your own intro. So I'm gonna be choosing that. So I find my intro and it's pretty good. So we can just click on the eye and you can see from perspective. So that you have to load, go here and then click to basics, and then here, wait, you just need to go to the objects. So then when you've gone to the objects, you can just customize it. Just so you just look up from the beginning. So that was a good one. If you want to download it, start rendering the video and everything. So that was it for this video, and I hope you guys like this, and I'll see you in the next video.